Okay, I'm waiting for you guys to join the class now, so we can kick off the class. Okay, the first person is here. So just give this video a like. We're about to start the class. Just give this video a like. We're about to start this class. Okay, welcome to today's class. Other people are still joining this class. Other people are still joining this class. So let's try and wait for others to come. Can you hear me? Please, can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, let me see. If you can hear me, let me see. So welcome to this class here. Let me check the reaction before we start fully. Let me check the reaction before we start fully. Okay, yes. So please let me hear from you guys. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Please leave at the comment section. So please keep inviting others. Keep inviting others. We are just three here now. We are just three. I believe we should be able to get to probably 20 or 40 into tonight's class. Please, can you see the board? Can you all see the board? Is the board clear? Where's my marker? Is the board clear? Is the board clear? So if the board is clear, just let me know if the board is clear. We're about to start our class. So in the next few minutes, we are starting our online class. Please, can you all see the board very well? Like I said, nomenclature of organic compound. Is this how I look there? Like, is it clear? Like the nomenclature of organic compound, is it clear? If it's clear, just put clear that it is clear, that you can see it very well. If you can see it very well, just put that you can see it very well. Okay, nice one, nice one, nice one, nice one. So we are going to start off the class while others will join us. We cannot wait for them. Others will join us. It's okay. We are four now. I believe we should get up to 20 in this class. 1 minute. Let me look for my marker. Where's my marker? Okay, I've seen my marker. Okay. Welcome to today's class. We are four, but we are going to start the class. They are going to join us. So my name is Chris, and I want to welcome you all to this live class. So now this live class is to actually help you guys in your chemistry, because majority of you are not actually free these days. So that is why we are conducting this online class. Although we are still going to have our physical class, just but let us continue with this online class. You get now. Probably after the class, you can be asking your questions on our WhatsApp group. But for now, let's start with nomenclature of the organic compounds. And what I'm going to focus on in this class here is the word alkanes. Now look at what alkanes. That is nomenclature of what of the alkanes. How do you name alkanes? How do you name compounds like this? If you see compound like this, how do you name compound like this? How do you name compounds like this? How do you name compounds like this? Do you understand? So these are things you are going to look at in this class here. How do you name all these compounds? If you have something like this, do you understand? How do you name compounds like this? How do you name compounds like this? CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Do you understand? So there are few things you are going to learn in tonight's online class. So, and I'm so delighted to have you. I'm so delighted to have you guys in this online class. So always leave your questions at the comment section, and I will be responding to those of your question. Now we are six. Please, for those of you online, please give this video a like. It's very important. Please give this video a like, and try as much as possible to share the link to other places so that you can join this class. You get. Please share the link to other places so that they can join this class. We are six here. Please, instead of you should give it a like. So yeah, we are six. Nice one. We are six. And we are growing. Please try to inform your friends that Chris have started the work is online class and they too can join. So I know in your secondary school, yeah, majority of you do actually know how to name organic compound. Do you understand? If you don't know how to name organic compound, leave at the comment section that I don't know how to name organic compound. But if you are a little bit good, I also leave at the comment section that you are good in organic compound, but you are not perfect. So let me hear from you. Let me hear from you guys. So now the first thing we want to look at is what is the first 10 members of the alkanes. Hi there. The first 10 members of the alkane family, the first 10 members of the alkane family, because once you know the alkane family, if you know how to name alkanes, they should be able to name every other organic compound. Do you understand? So alkanes, the nomenclature of the alkane is just like the mother to every other organic compound. Do you understand? So we have to look at what first 10 members of the alkane. But first, alkane have a general molecular formula. You get that? We have what general molecular formula of the alkanes. And the general molecular formula of the alkane is what? CnH2n plus 2. Now, at times, they normally ask this thing in the exam. What is general molecular formula for the alkenes? You get? So it's what CnH2n plus 2. Now, where n implies what? The numbers of carbon atoms. Do you understand? Numbers of carbon atoms. So we have to look at what the first 10 members of the alkane family. So that first we want to look at the first 10 members of the alkane family. So if you look at the first 10 members of the alkane family, now the main reason I'm doing this like this, I don't just assume that you know organic compound. I just want to start from the beginning aspect. Do you understand? So as we move on, step by step, we get up to our destination. So at the beginning, you first need to know the first 10 members of the alkenes. So I want to write on the board methane. Methane means what? The first members of the alkanes. Next one is what is ethane. Ethane, the second members of the alkanes. Do you understand? Now, the next one is what is propane. Do you understand? Propane. Here we have what the butane. Here we have what the pentane. Here we have what the pentane, and here we have what the hexane. Here we have the hexane. Here we have what the heptane. Heptane. Here we have what the octane. And here we have what nonane. So, okay, I don't think you people can see. So let me put here. Here we have the octane. Here we have what the nonane. And here we have what the decane. So these are what the first 10 members of the alkane. Now, please, today is our first class, so I'm starting from the beginning. Do you understand? First 10 members of the alkane family. So now each of them have their own molecular formula. So alkane will have its own molecular formula. Ethane will have its own molecular formula till you get what to decane. Do you understand? So now methane means what? Carbon number 1. Ethane means what? Carbon number 2. Propane means carbon number 3. Butane means carbon number 4. Decane means what? Carbon number 10. This that. So if you should what? Impute our numbers of carbon atoms here, we have to get that each of the molecular formula. So if for example, if I want to get the molecular formula of methane now, remember the numbers of carbon atoms in methane is 1, right? So I will place 1 here. So if I should place 1 here, I would have C1H21 plus 2. Can you see that? So yeah, I'm not going to have C1H. 2 times 1 is what? 2 plus 2. Here we have 4. Do you understand? So this one means not, so go to do CH4. So that is the molecular formula for methane is what? CH4. As easy as that. It's not that too difficult. As easy as that. So molecular formula for methane is what? CH4. Do you see that? Now for ethane means what? 2 carbon atom, right? So my N is what? Is 2. So if I should place 2 here, I'm going to have C2 here. 2 times 2, 4 plus 2. We're going to be what? 6. Just that. So now the general molecular formula for ethane is what? C2H 6. Now propane means what? 3. Can you see that? So you just want to be adding up like that till you get to what? To the king. So if you add it up like that, I don't waste your time because you really need to get to what? To the nutrition aspect. If you keep on adding it like that, you have C3H8. Do you see that? You have C4H10. You have C5H12. You have what? C6H14. 14. Here we have C7H what 16. Here we have C8H what H18. Here we have C9H what. Okay. So here we have C9H what H20. Then here we have C10H what 22. Do you see that? So that this is the first thing you have to take note of here. The first 10 members of the alkane. So now whenever you are naming organic compounds, here, you must follow the rule. You must know the longest continuous carbon chain. From there now you now know what the parent what chain. So now let's start first. So please take this down. Please take this down so I can wipe the board. So I can start the what? The naming of organic compounds. Remember, alkanes are saturated. They are saturated what? Compounds, right? They are saturated compounds. Then they all have single bond. They have what? Single bond. So for example, something like this: CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. This guy is what is an alkane. Do you understand? This guy is an alkane. Determining carbon, 4 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you understand? The fourth member of the alkane is called what? Butane. So the parent is called what? Butane. Just that, as easy as that. Now, if for example you have a skeletal structure, you can transfer it to a skeletal structure. Do you see that? So if for example you have, okay, now you guys will be saying this thing most of the time. Now each point means what? Carbon atom. Just that each point here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you look at this one here, this one means skeletal structure. So each point represents what? Numbers of carbon atoms. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we have 7 carbon atoms. So the 7 members of the alkane is called heptane. So this guy is called heptane. It's called what? Heptane. Yes, heptane. So now let me give you one. So I try. If for example you have CH3, CH2, 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 CH2. Here we have. Okay, sorry. So if for example you have, okay, let me use skeletal structure. Let me use skeletal. If I have something like this. Okay, so what will be the name of this guy here? What will be the name of this guy here? Please leave at the comment section here. What will be the name of this guy? Now, how many carbon atoms do we have here? Remember here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 18. So what will be the name of this one here? Please leave at the comment section here. I want to hear from you. What will be the name of this one here? Leave at the comment section. What will be the name? Okay, now what will be the name of this guy here? What will be the name of this compound? What will be the name of this compound? Leave at the comment section. Nice one, decane. Yes, decane. You see, you can see how easy it is. Why is it decane? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Decane. Do you see that? So you can see that is actually nice one, decane. So you can see that it's not that too difficult, right? So now, these are just the beginner aspects you get. These are just beginner aspects. So let's start with the various rules for naming organic compounds. We have about 6 to 7 rules, which I'm going to give you those 6 to 7 rules in this class. You get, I'm going to give you those 6 to 7 rules. So by the time we finish class, you should be able to name alkanes properly. So probably in our next class, we step it up, right? So, but you guys are trying. So let's move to what rules, what naming organic compounds. Rules for naming organic compounds. So let's look at what rules for naming organic compounds. What are the various rules? So if, for example, now you have been given an organic compound. For example, here we have been given this compound here, CH3, CH2, C. Here we have CH2, CH2, CH3. Here we have CH2, C, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Now, if for example here we have been giving something like this, how do we name this kind of compound? How do you name this kind of compound? This is where the nomenclature comes in. This is where you need to what know the various rules of what naming what organic compound. Do you understand? So please, if you are following the class here, leave a message that you are following up with the class so I can hear from you. If you are following the class, leave a message that you can put you follow up the class so I will come to what to the rule number 1. So what is rule number 1 in naming organic compounds? Rule number 1 in naming organic compounds. So nice one. So what is rule number 1 in naming organic compounds? So I'm going to give you each of the steps for naming organic compounds. So step number 1, please take it down. Step number 1, take it down. Step number 1, take it down. Take the longest continuous carbon chain. That was step number 1. Take the longest continuous carbon chain. That is step number 1. Take the longest continuous carbon chain. Do you understand? So step number 1 means what? Take the longest continuous carbon chain. So that was step number 1. Step number 2, rule number 2. Step number 1 means what? Take the longest continuous carbon chain. I want to explain. I just to give you all the rules. Then I'll start explaining them for you. Is it okay? So step number 1 means what? Take the longest continuous carbon chain and name it as the parent chain. Yes. And name it as what? The parent chain. Have you taken it down? Have you taken it down? Take the longest continuous carbon chain and what? Name it as what? As the parent chain. That is what? Rule number 1. Rule number 2. Take down. Rule number 2. Rule number 2. If there is a substituent attached to the parent chain, if a substituent, I should write on board, if a substituent is attached to the parent chain, right there. If a substituent is attached to the word parent chain, the parent chain is numbered. The parent chain is numbered in a way. Right there, the parent chain is numbered in a way. The carbon carrying the substituents must have the lowest possible number. Yes. As easy as that. So now what is rule number 1 again? Rule number 1 state that take the longest continuous carbon chain right there and name that as the parent chain, which I'm going to explain to you. What is rule number 2? If a substituent is attached to the parent chain, the parent chain is numbered in a way the carbon atom carrying the substituent must have the lowest possible number. I will explain to you. It's very easy. Just it's very, very easy. So let me talk about rule number 3. Rule number 3. Rule 3. Okay. Please, if you are following, leave a comment section that you are following up with the class. Leave a comment section that you are following up with the class. Rule number 3. If 2 or more substituents, if two or more substituents are attached to the parent chain, again, if 2 or more substituents are attached to the what? Parent chain, the parent chain is numbered in a way the summation of the position of the substituents must have the lowest possible number. Okay. So rule number one, please can you all see the board? Okay, I think the board is not okay. I think you can see the board now, right? So rule number three, if two or more substituents are attached to the what? To the parent chain, the parent chain is numbered in a way the summation or the position of the substituents must have the lowest possible what number. Do you see that? So we are going to work with this. We are going to work with what? These three rules. These are the three fundamental rules when it comes to what? Naming of what? Of organic what compound. So please take these three rules down. Please write your notes. Then I'll start explaining what step by step for you. So take it down. If you're taking it down, if you're writing it down, leave a message that you're writing it down. I'm waiting for you guys. So please take it down. If you have written it down, leave a comment section that you have written it down so I can proceed. So I can proceed. So I can proceed. Please take it down. Have you written down? Okay, nice one. Please, you guys just try to be active. You get that? So now I'm going to wipe this board here. I'm going to wipe this board now. Let me wipe this board here. So let's talk about some common substituents. Common what substituents? I get now. Please, this class just 1 hour class. I don't want this class to be too much here. I don't want the time to be too much. So because it's our first line class, so it's going to be just 1 hour, and we have spent almost 20 something minutes. Let me check. Okay, 30 something minutes here we have spent here. So like I was now when you're naming alkanes or when you're naming organic compound there are some common substituents you have to take note of. They are common. You get. So I'm going to give you the common ones to take note of. You get. But as you master organic compound, because some of you are just getting used to organic naming of organic compound. So I don't want to go down deep like that. So I'm just trying to do the word basis. So now, so common substituent. The first one here you have to take note is CH3. Now, when I see CH3, it means what? Methyl. It means what? Methyl. CH means what? Methyl. You likely see it all the time. You always use it all the time. Now, next one you see is what? CH3. CH2 is called ethyl. It's called what? Ethyl. You always see it all the time. The next one you have to look at is what? CH3, CH2, CH2. Now it's called propyl. This is called propyl. It's called what? Propyl. Now the next one, now we also have under propyl that is called isopropyl. It's called isopropyl. It's like this. CH3, CH3. Don't worry. This is called isopropyl. Isopropyl. This is called isopropyl. Now we also have called Cl. Cl is called chloro. It's called what? Chloro. It's called chloro. Do you understand? Now you have B. I will call bromo. It's called bromo. Now F. No, here we have I. It's called iodo. It's called iodo. Please take all these things down. Very, very important. Then NO2 is called nitro. It's called what? Nitro. Then NH2 is called amino. It's called what? Amino. So these are the common, although we still have other ones here, but these are the common ones you will likely see all the time. Do you understand? These are the common ones you likely see all the time. This. So these are stuff I want to make use of in this class here. But remember, this is a beginner's class, so I don't want to bombard you with so many things. Do you understand? So we are just taking what step by step. But as time move on, we have to what step it up. You get, you are going to name complex organic compounds. But for today, tonight, I don't want to name complex organic compounds. This is that. So now, let's start naming organic compounds here. So let's take some first. CH3, CH2, CH. Here we have CH2, CH2, CH3. Here we have CH2, CH3. Okay, now, let's name this guy. Let's name this compound. Please pay close attention here. Let's name this compound here. If you have been given this kind of compound, I say you should name. Remember, I've given you what rule number 1, rule number 2, and rule number 3. Now, what is rule number 1? Rule number 1 says what? Take the longest continuous carbon chain. Now, the step number 1 is the most important step. And if you miss the most important step, you have missed everything. So that is why you need to be careful when selecting what the longest continuous carbon chain. The word longest continuous carbon chain means the chain that contains the highest mass of carbon atom. Just and the chain that will contain what number, the highest mass of what carbon atom. So how do we select the longest continuous carbon chain? Please pay close attention here. You get, so from here to here is one chain. From here to here is one chain. From here to here is one chain. We have our 3 chain here. From here to here is 1. From here to here is 1. And from here to here is 1. So we have our 3 chain. So in this 3 chain now, we should have the highest numbers of carbon atom. Do you understand? So now, how do we know that? It's by counting the numbers of carbon atom. It's by what? Counting the numbers of what carbon atom. So if you start from here to here, how many carbon atoms do we have there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 4 carbon. So from here to here, we have 4 carbon atoms. Do you understand? Now, let's count from here to, because from here to here now, look at something here. Understand here. Students normally used to work means this thing here. It's not like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, you get 1, 2, 3, 4. You stop is what? One chain, right? Go back again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 6 carbon atoms. Can you see that? Now, so we are counting from here to here, which is 4. We are counting from here to here, which was 6. Now let's count from here to here. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 5. So the 3 chain have 4 carbon, 6 carbon, 5 carbon atom. And you will say that you will take the longest continuous carbon chain. That is the chain that contains what the highest numbers of carbon atoms. Do you understand? 6 is the highest. Do you understand? 6 is what is the highest. So the 6 members of the alkane, because you can see that they are all single bond, right? Because they are all single bond, right? So the 6 members of the alkane is called hexane. So my parent chain here, parent chain is what is hexane. Is what? Hexane. That's what the parent chain, you keep it there. Just my parent chain is what is hexane. So look at something here. Now that will now towards step 2. Step 2 says that what if a substituent is attached to the parent chain. Now, what is a substituent? Substituents are those side atoms or side group, or yes, that are not counted among the chain. Because if you check very well, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Now, if you check from here to here, because it's the longest chain, now this guy is not counted among the chain. Can you see that? Hope you are following. So, what is the name of this guy here? The name of this guy is called methane. It's called what? Methane. Right there. So the name of the substituent is what? Is what? Methane. The name of the substituent is called what? Methane. Can you see that? Now, so now we know our parent which is the hexane. We know the substituent which is what? Methyl. So that, remember, I tell you that what is the good number 2? Good number 2 say that if a substituent is attached to the parent chain is numbered in a way. The carbon atom must have the carbon atom that carries substituent must have the lowest possible number. Do you understand? Please, if you understand to this point here, please leave at the comment section that you understand, so I know what I'm doing here. If you have any question, please leave at the comment section that you have a question. You can ask a question. But if you understand, say that you are following, so that I will know what I'm doing. We have 5 places in this class here. Please leave at the comment section that you understand, so I will know what I'm doing. Please, are you guys following what I'm doing here? Yes or no? Leave at the comment section. Leave at the comment section. Are you guys following what I'm doing here? Leave at the comment section. Are you guys following what I'm doing here? Please let me know from you guys. So yeah, parent chain is what is hexane, 9 zone. Substrate is what is methyl, right? So how do we combine them together now? How do we do the final naming? So we are seeing step number 2. Step number 2 say that the carbon atom, because if 1, 2, 3, 4, this is the carbon atom that carries what substance. It must have the lowest possible number. Just so if you start from this side, carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4. Now we have position 4, and here we have 1, 2, 3. We have position 3. So if you start the number from here, 1, 2, 3, carbon 3. But if you start the number from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, carbon 4. So now let me ask you here, which one is the correct one? Okay, I'll go back again. Now, remember, this is what is substance, right? This is what is substance. Now, this is the carbon atom that carry what is substance. This is that. Now, the carbon atom must have the lowest possible number. Now, there are 2 sides I can start numbering from. There are 2 sides I can start numbering from. I can either start from here, or I can start from this point here, right? So if I start from here, 1, 2, 3, I have carbon 3, right? As the substance. No, as the position of the carbon atom, because 1, 2, 3, right? But if I start from here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have position 3 and I have position 4. You could say that the carbon atom that carries substance must have the lowest possible number. So 3 and 4, which is lowest? 3 is what is lowest. That means I'm starting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you see that? Because 3 is what is lowest here. I'm not going to start from here. I will start from here because 3 is lowest. Now, how do I combine everything here? How do I combine everything here? So now, this is what you want to know. This is what you want to name now. So it's going to be 3 methyl hexane. 3 methyl what hexane? That is it. 3 methyl what hexane. So now, when I'm naming here, number and alphabet must be separated by this hyphen here. Very important. So number and alphabets are only separated by what? By hyphen. Do you see that? So that is not the name of this compound here. So please take it down. If you have any question, please leave at the comment section that you have a question. If you understand, please leave at the comment section that you understand. So we have to do more practice problem. So take it down. Any question? Any question? So let's take on that question. Okay. So now let's take this question here. CH3, CH2, CH. Here we have B arrow. Here we have CH2, 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 CH3. Okay, now let's name this one here. Let's name this compound. So now, what is the parent shape? Please remember, this is a beginner's class. You get, so as time move on, we move towards chapter, but I don't want to go too far into this class here. So probably in our next class, we'll be naming complex organic compound. So, but now, what is parent chain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 7. So that my parent chain is called heptane. Is what is heptane, right? Now, this is what is a substance. What is this substance here? It's called what? Bromo. Bromo. Right there. So that what will be the position? If I start from here, if I start from this point here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5. Just like if I start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I have 5. So position 5 and 1, 2, 3, position what? 3. So to you now, which one is correct? Which one is accurate? Is it position 5 or position 3 from your counting? Now going to be position what? 3. Right there, because you go say that the camera from the car is subsequent must have the what lowest possible number. Do you see that? So this is going to be what my, so I'm going to start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you see that? So it's going to be what? 3 bromo what? Heptane. 3 bromo what? Heptane. Is it difficult? So now we have to step it further now. We have to step it further. We have to step it further. So now, please, do you guys understand so here? So the name of this one is called 3 bromo what? Heptane. Do you understand? So you can see that. So let's step it further. Let's take difficult ones. Let's take difficult ones. Because I'm supposed to be saying, suppose that no organic compound or the nomenclature of organic compound, we say that chemicals you're naming easy things that we already know. Please understand that it's step by what? Step by step. You get step by step. So if you understand it for here, if you understand it, say you understand. Do you understand it for here? Leave a comment section that you understand. Let's step it up now. Let's step it up. Please, can you continue? Please, can you continue? Okay, so now let's step it a little higher. So let's look at this one here. So we have to look at skeletal structure now. We have to look at what skeletal structure. Okay, now let's name this guy. Please pay close attention here. Let's name this compound. So how do we name this compound here? Remember, we are taking one step by step. We are taking one step by step, right? So how do you name this one here? From here to here, how many carbon atoms do you have? 1 to here. How many carbon atoms do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, right? So here we have 9. Here we have what? 9. Please, when you see a compound, you must be careful. Take the what longest continuous carbon chain. Just that. So from here to here, how many carbon atoms do you have? We have what? 9 carbon. If you're in this class here, please give this video a like. Please give this video a like. If you have not liked this video, please kindly give this video a like. It's very, very important. Thank you very much. So from here to here, how many points do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Please, this one is totally different from the one we have done previously. So please pay close attention. Do you understand? Please pay close attention here. I'm trying to see the comments. So if you have any question, only leave at the comment section, because it's from the comment section I'll actually know your question. You get. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 carbon atom, right? 9 carbon atom. Yes, 9 carbon atom. So from here to here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we have 7 carbon atom, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we also have 7 carbon atom here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 carbon atom here. So here we have 3 chain. Here we have 3 chain. 3 longest chain here. 9, 7, and 8, right? 9 is the longest. So from here to here is the longest. So if you take from here to here, I have this one, I have this one, and I have this one here. Please pay close attention here. Now, this one is chloro. Is what is chloro. Do you understand? Now, this one you're seeing here is what is methyl. Is methyl. It's like this CH3. You have to understand it here. Now, this one you're seeing here is what is ethyl. Is what is ethyl. Are you following class? So yeah, my parents' name, parents' name, parents' name, parents' name is what? Is non-name. Right? Is what? Is non-name. Yeah, I have a chloro, I have what? A methyl, I have what? An ethyl substituent. Do you see that? Now, how do we, please look at something here. How do we now number it? Please move to step rule number 3. Rule number 3, please move to rule number 3 because we are not using rule number 1 again. Why am I not using rule number 1? We are not using rule number 1 is because we now have 3 different substituents. Rule number 2 is only for what? 1 substituent. Rule number 3 is for what? For 2 or more substituents. So here we have chloro, methyl, and ethyl. Is more than what? 1 substituent. So we are going to use rule number 2. And what is rule number 2? Rule number 2 states that if 2 or more substituents are attached to the parent chain, the summation of the position of the substituent must have the lowest possible number. Now, let me explain to you. I'm going to draw this guy again. So you understand. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, yes. So you have a chloro, here we have a methyl, here we have a methyl. So this one is sent to here. Now, why am I duplicating it? Why am I writing this one here? Why am I writing this one here? Please, you understand this. Just follow me closely here. Just follow me closely here. So now, if I start my number from here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is where I start my number from here. But now let me start my number from this point here. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and what? 9. Can you see that? Now, if you check very well, now, so the good number 3 states that the summation of the position of the substituent must have the lowest possible number. If I start from here, I have carbon number 2, carry what? A chlorine, so it would be 2 plus. Now, why is it 2? Because I can't number 2 add a chlorine, right? I can't number 3 add a methyl, so it would be 2 plus 3 plus. Carbon number 5 is having an ethyl plus 5. Can you see that? If I sum them together, I'm going to give me what? 10. That is when I start my number at this point. Just like when I start with my number at this point here. So if I start my number at this point here, when I sum the position, you're going to give me what? 10. Just now, but what about if I start my number at this point here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 7 plus 8. So sum them together, please. 5 plus 7 plus 8 is what? My calculator is not working again. 5 plus 7 plus 8. We have 20. So here we have about 20. Just here we have about 20. So when you sum, when I start from here, I got 10. But when I start from here, I got what? 20. What is the correct one? What is the correct one? Please, what is the correct one? I got to rule number 3. What is the correct one? Is it 10 or 20? Let me ask you, is it 10 or 20? Is it 10 or 20? Answer me here. Is it 10 or 20? Which is the correct one? Good, lower. The one that is lower, which is what? 10. Can you see that? So automatically here we are going to cancel out this guy. So I don't need the idea because this one have the word lowest when I sum them together. So I'm going to wipe this place out. I'm wiping this place out like this. Just I'm wiping this place out. So now I can back 2. I have a chloro, so going to be 2 chloro, right? 2 what? Chloro. Nice one. 2 what? Chloro. Now I can back 3. I have a methyl. We got 3 methyl, right? 3 what? Methyl. Now I can back 5. I have ethyl. We got to be 5 what? Ethyl. Now remember, what is the parent name? The parent name is what? Is non-name. Do you understand? So how do I combine them together now? How do I combine them together? How do I combine them together to make it make sense? Do you understand? Now, when you are naming, now the parent name will always come last. Why the subsequent you arrange them alphabetically? Do you understand? The subsequent must arrange them alphabetically. Now, what do you mean by alphabetically? You must arrange them in alphabetical order: A, B, C, D, E, F. Now, please understand here that when you are naming, numbers and alphabet must be separated by this hyphen here. Do you understand? You must separate the two of them. Number and alphabet must be separated. Do you understand? You must separate them. So C will come first in alphabetical order before E, and E will come before what? M, right? So if you want to arrange it in alphabetical order, now you want to be 2 chloro, right? Then you have 5 ethyl. Then what? 3 methyl. 3 what? Methyl nonane. That is it. That is it. Is it clear? Nice one. Nice one. You try. 2 chloro, 5 ethyl. But understand here is that numbers and alphabet must be separated by this hyphen here. Do you see that? Number and alphabet words. You must separate it like this. If you don't do it like this, you are going to fail it in the exam. So these are little stuff that fail students in the exam. So that's why you want to take note of this in here. 2 chloro, 5 ethyl, 3 methyl nonane. Is it clear? Leave a comment section if it's clear. Leave a comment section that if it's clear. Do you understand? So can we do more? I believe our time is okay. We still have about 15 minutes to go. So because this class is just 1 hour class. This class is just 1 hour class. I don't want this class to exceed 1 hour. You get? I don't want this class to exceed this 1 hour because it's first class. So I don't want this class to exceed more 1 hour. So okay, let's do more. Let's do more. So let's do more. Let's take on that question. So if you have been following this class here, you find that I've actually want to explain the fundamentals now. Just that I've actually want to explain what the fundamentals. Please, if you are watching me here, and you have not liked this video here, please give this video a like. It's very important. Please like this video, and share this video in your various group. Please share this video that is Chris online class. Please do well to share this video so that those people who have not been able to join class can actually want to join this class. You get? So now let's do more. Let's solve more questions. Let's solve more questions. So this is one of your textbook here. So let me see if I can get some questions from the textbook so you can solve together. Let me get some questions here. Please hold on so I can search for questions. There are some exercises I've seen in this past question in this textbook which I want us to solve. Okay, so here we have this question here. Here we have this one here. CH3, C, here we have CH2, CH3, here we have CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, BR, CH2, CH3. Okay, let's do this question now. Let's do this one here. Let's name this one here. Can you guys try? Or we should do it, or I should do it. Can you guys try? Or I should do it. Can you guys try? Okay, let's do it together here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Of course, it's going to be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Right? Heptane. It's called heptane. Can you see that? Please, in our next class, we are going to solve difficult ones. So this class, we are only doing simple one because this is the first class, right? So in our next class, we want to do difficult ones. So get ready. So now F10, here we have this guy, we have this guy, and we have this one here. Now here we have methyl. Here we have what methyl. Here we have what ethyl. Here we have what bromo. Right there. Now, therefore, I will start my number here, right? The parent name is F10 normally. The parent name is F10. Now, then here we have bromo, here we have methyl, here we have what ethyl, right? So now let's start my number from here. Then let me sum that position. Just that, let me sum that position. Let me see before I start 5, 7, right? So for if I start from here, position 3 and position 6. At position 3, I have a so going to be 3 plus. At position 6, I have a methyl and a ethyl and methyl. So it's going to be 6 plus 6. Just so we're going to do what 15. This is we're going to do 15 when I start my number from this point here. But if I start from here, what about if I start from here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I can back 2. Now remember, when I start from here, I saw that position, gave me what 15. Now let me start from here. Here I have 2 plus carbon number when I start with carbon 2 substituents. Just now, this carbon number 2 here is kind of substituent. So like when I start from here, carbon number 6 kind of what 2 substituents, right? But when I start from here now, that kind of 2 substituents, which is 2 plus 2 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have plus 5. Going to do what's 9. 9 is what is lowest, right? 9 is what 9 is the what is lowest. So we are going to come from here. So we remove all this one from this place. So here you got to do what? Remember, and I have 2 methyl. 2 methyl. Here we have what 2 methyl. Right? Here we have what 5 bromo. Can you see that? So B will come fair before what E, and E will come before M in alphabetical what order, right? My chemical is not working. So here we have bromo, E, and what M and M. So going to be 5 bromo, 5 bromo. Here we have what 2 ethyl. Here we have what 2 what methyl. Right? Then 18. So this is just the beginner aspect. Get. So we are going to end our class here. We are going to end our class here. It's like some of you are not seeing the board again. We are going to end our class here. Sorry. We are going to end our class here. Now, this video will be live in our class. Will be live on our YouTube channel. So you can still come back again and watch this video. So we are ending our class here for now. Just I'm going to appreciate you all that came live for this class. I want to appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. I hope this class is useful and you got value from it. Now, this is our first online class officially, right? Live class. This is just a live class. This is our first live class. You get. So more of live class will be coming up. But if you have not joined our private group, try as much as possible to join our private group. Now I'll be opening up our WhatsApp group here so that you can ask your question in our WhatsApp group. Thanks a lot for joining this class. See you in our next live class. Thank you very much. So we are done.